Hey guys, welcome back to a new series. This series is going to be all for beginners. So I know you guys have been anticipating this for about a week, and I'm excited. I can't wait to share so many things with you guys. It's going to probably last about 3 to 4 weeks depending on how well it goes. I hope that you guys are all super stoked, super ready to just start this whole new journey, and I'm excited to share some tips and some techniques that have helped me along my journey. So when I was young, I knew I wanted to be in the beauty industry, whether it be hair, makeup, nails, all of it I absolutely loved. So I was probably about 7 years old, and I've shared this story before. Most of you know it. It's my little testimony that, I would tell my mom and her friends that I was going to fly them in my private jet to Beverly Hills to my salon. So needless to say, I've always wanted to be in the beauty industry. I love hair, makeup, nails, anything that makes us feel super, super good and pretty. I wanted to jump on today and just congratulate all of you for starting this new journey. And just if this is a dream to you that you've always wanted to do, and maybe quarantine kind of helped you discover that, that's awesome. I'm excited for you. Congratulations on starting a new journey. And if some of you are just, maybe you think of it as a hobby or a craft, or maybe you just started picking it up because you wanted to do your own nails, I also am excited for you. I'm going to be producing some information for you guys to purchase that won't be available in probably until a week or two. So hopefully that will help you, kind of give you an outline, and we can kind of grow together throughout this process. Give yourselves a big pat on the back for just starting your dream of being a nail tech or a nail artist. I want to tell you guys to practice, practice, practice. Oh my gosh, you guys have this perfect quarantine time if you guys are home. Practice, practice, practice. I can't stress to you enough. If there's a technique you want to learn, YouTube. Go to YouTube. And just continue to do it until you get it. If you are using tips and maybe they don't feel too comfortable for you, I would recommend forums. A lot of times I've had classes where I had a lot of beginner nail techs, and they felt really awkward with tips, and then I introduced forms kind of towards the end of the beginner course, and they did amazingly. So I always recommend, if you can sculpt, stick with it, and if you start with it, then it's easier for you to kind of feel comfortable and just grow into it. So and the reason why I say stick with it is because you can make more money. So sculpted nails, usually it would be an additional $15 to $20 added on to the service. Another thing that I'm going to recommend is, right now there's a lot of educators giving online courses. I've given a couple. I'm going to do another one coming up this weekend. I will post it on my Instagram and my social media handles. But take advantage of these courses because they're really affordable. These online classes might work better for you. And most of the time we're really pretty giving as far as information and things that we prefer, why we prefer them, things that we've discovered over our time. So I would definitely recommend also taking advantage of online classes right now because they are really affordable. Definitely retain as much as you can right now for all of the free knowledge and information that's being shared on the internet right now. Another thing I want to focus on as a beginner nail tech is focus on you. Do not focus on me or anybody else. You're not me, you're not anybody else. Focus on you, what you want to achieve, what you want to learn, and let that carve out your path. The more you focus on yourself and perfecting your skill, it's just going to make it so much easier for you. Do not compare yourself to anybody else that you see online. Do not compare yourself. And trust me, you are starting this journey because you have a gift, okay? Now, another thing I want you guys to have is confidence in your craft. Confidence in anything you do. Again, going back to confidence is key. Confidence in anything you do is going to separate you from everybody else. Okay? You might not know all the answers. You might not know all the designs in the world that, you know, if somebody, oh my gosh, if somebody comes in and they want cherries on their nails, I'm going to flip out because I don't know how to do cherries. Wing it, girl. Try it. That's the only way you're going to learn. You're going to learn by just trial and error. So just jump right into it. There's nothing to be afraid of but fear itself. So if you have a sister, a cousin, a mom, a aunt, anybody who's willing and practice on, take full advantage of that right now. Do their nails every other day. Do your own hand every other day. If you have not utilized my discount code on Valentino Beauty Pure, it is Annailco. It recently changed. So if there's a great beginner kit on there, so if you haven't invested in product yet, I would definitely recommend that. The product itself is amazing. Working with it is just so nice. The colors are just smooth. It's like butter, honestly. Like, I can't say it or compare it to anything else because it's truly the best product that I've ever used. So with that being said, if you want to order anything, my discount code is Annailco. It'll save you an additional 10% off of whatever's on sale on the website as well. Those are the 3 things that I wanted to share with you guys all today. I'm super excited to get this series started, and I'm here for you. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys. I know starting out, we have to buy a lot of things and it can seem overwhelming, and we don't have money because we're really not making any money. So like I said, if you have sister, cousin, mom, even yourself, practice on yourself. Practice on them as much as you can. Do their nails and soak them off 3 days later and do a new set. Do your hands, soak it off the next day, do a new set. And I'm excited to get this series going with you guys, and I can't wait to share the information that I have available for you starting next week. I am here for you. If you have any questions, you want to DM me. If you have any product questions, if you have questions in general, feel free to reach out. I am free right now because I am still in quarantine. My salon is still closed. So this just kind of works out. So I'm here for you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and I cannot wait to get started. Peace.